Bongrid is here. Hi guys, welcome to Trade with Bongrid. My name is Bongrid Solomon. We are here again on this day, the 10th day of June 2026, and it's a beautiful day, so you guys are welcome once again. You know what to do here every morning, looking at what BTC did the previous day and anticipating what to have on the present day. So today is no different. We are going to go right there into it again. So the candle closure of yesterday automatically invalidated the buy signal I gave you guys on BTC yesterday. Okay, the trade triggered yesterday and entered small profits before trading around the entry zone right like this now. So if you're in that trade, you can either close the trade on small loss or on break even, depending on the area you entered. So let's get into it and see what BTC have today. I gave you guys this yesterday as my short entry zone, but unfortunately BTC couldn't get to the zone before selling. I trade a daily judgment. I'm a day trader and a scalper, so I trade daily judgments, meaning that my concern is always on the candle closure of the previous day. That's how I make my judgment for the day. And initially from the beginning, was it on Monday when market was here, I told you guys that BTC is trying to come and form double bottom for us on the daily here, and you can see it. So if eventually we see a bearish closure on BTC today, which I'm expecting BTC to come and trade around 60k 100 region, around this zone. So I'm expecting BTC to sell down to this zone. That's why I told you that the buy entry yesterday, the buy signal yesterday is invalidated. You can close that trade if you are at a break even or with a small loss now. So I'm expecting BTC to come and trade around this zone 60k region today. And if that eventually happens, tomorrow we might see a green candle on BTC, because that will give us the complete double bottom that we anticipated here since Monday. So you see it. I told you guys before now that your ability to recognize pattern in the market is an edge on its own. It was on Monday when this candle was so bullish here. I told you guys that the highest market can go is to come and trade here, but definitely it's coming back. If you go and watch my review on Monday, you will hear when I was saying it. Okay, the highest I'm expecting BTC to go again is to come and trade around this zone, around this what do you call it, 74k region, and before starting to come back, because the moment this candle closed on Sunday, I automatically know what BTC is trying to do. Okay, so this is a bottom, a left bottom. So whatever that will happen here is not going to last. It will come back to give a second bottom here. Okay, so it is what it is, and you can see that is perfectly what BTC is trying to do. So if you see a bearish candle again today, by tomorrow Thursday, expect bullish candle on BTC, but we'll see to that. Let's see how today goes first. Okay, so don't forget guys, if you're watching the short clip of this video, don't forget to check the link under this video and go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a full access to the full analysis. Okay, so this is a place where struggling traders or those that have this fear of trading BTC, this is the place that they come to see insights on how to trade BTC. So I have been consistent with this for the past 2 months now. Okay, doing this every day, giving you direction on what BTC, on what you should expect on BTC on a daily basis, and people have been testifying, and we have been making money with it. Okay, so let's go and see what BTC did yesterday and what we should anticipate today. Okay, for me, I'm still bearish. No matter any reaction you see on BTC today, it will end bearish at the end of the day. Okay, so let's see the high of BTC yesterday after missing my short entry yesterday, and then see the low. Okay, so if I should make my judgment today, the highest I'm expecting BTC to come is to come and trade around the zone. This is 75% of my daily bearish candle. BTC can retrace to this zone, before giving us the massive sell to the downside, and definitely this low of yesterday must be taken. So I can still look for a long during the day based on a certain kind of condition. For instance, if BTC didn't get to this place and sell down to this place, then close back into this range, I might go down to a lower time frame and look for a long position. So it's as simple as that. I used to tell you guys that trading BTC is not easy. If you can trade BTC, you can trade gold. They have similar behavior, so it's just for you to calm down, learn and understand it. So this is what we have. This is the daily candle. So this is what I'm expecting. If I should mark, all this confirmation, this candle, this, the other one, you see, you can always make your judgment from a daily candle. Lower time frame is just to confirm your entries. Now look at it now. I know you remember I marked this zone in my higher time frame, which is 1 hour. Now look at it. I mean 1 day. If I should go to 1 hour, you see it. This is exactly another block, a resistance area that BTC used to say yesterday. I don't know if you are getting me. Look at this zone I marked from the daily. I made my judgment and marked the zone that I will be buying from here. It's as simple as that. So even if you are trading SMC, this is a break of structure, internal break, if you might call it that way, break of structure. Okay, now this is the other block that sold BTC yesterday. So if BTC you retrace there, you expect it to sell back again. It's as simple as that. So it's not about trying to complicate it in things for you. And even if you're a trend line trader, look at it. Look at it. Can you see? Are you seeing? So now look at it. As a trend line trader now, you are waiting for break. Markets have break. Then you are waiting for a retracement, which is still at the same point of my own entry. So you see that we are all doing the same thing. So I used to say it because some people, every time you go to TL, you will see some people will be putting up arguments which strategy is better. All strategy complement each other. The foundation of all strategy is support and resistance. Now this same place that I said that I want to sell, an SMC trader will call it order block to sell from. Support and resistance, this is the resistance zone that BTC sold from yesterday. So you see it now. Now a trend line trader will break and retest, break out of my trend line, retest, and then sell down. It's as simple as that. You can go on and on and on again. Even is it ICT or CRT? All of them complement each other. If you understand all this strategy, you will know that they are all the same thing. They just complement each other. It's just terminology and the ideas that makes it look different, but there is no difference between them. Okay, guys. So as you can see, as I told you, the only thing that will make me buy BTC today is if markets will come, take this low of yesterday, and then I see a bullish close, 4 hours candle close. This might happen before New York session, which is around 1 p.m. West Africa time. So if this should take this low yesterday and then close bullishly on this range, I might go lower to 15 minutes, look for a shift in market structure or change of character, and then take my trade to this. I'm not targeting anything more than here because I don't think BTC can take the high of yesterday based on the market condition, based on candle closure. Okay guys, I believe I've been able to simplify today's analysis and you can have your direction. So if you wish to have access to our daily trading signals, do well to join our Telegram channel where we go live every day, 11 a.m. West African time, analyzing the charts, taking live trade and making money. So do well to join the Telegram channel. The link is on my bio, check it on my bio, you have access to it. And don't forget to follow my X handle. You can see the handle on the screen of this video. Follow me on X so that you will always be updated. Okay, so thank you guys for watching till the end of this video. I really love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Do well to share this video, share it on your timeline so that your fellow traders and others that might need it to get to see it. Okay, thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow in our next analysis. Peace and love, and don't forget that bond rate is out. Bye for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow.